Everyone, welcome to my channel. I have my September's Love with Food box to share with you. Love with Food, really quickly, is a monthly snack subscription service. It gears more towards trying to select their versions of more healthier snacks. They do have a gluten-free, a deluxe, which means you get more products. Gluten-free means gluten-free, and then they have like a little guy box, which the prices vary between each of the boxes. You can sign up for a month. You can do 3, 6, or 12 months. 6 and 12 months gets you a free box, like a bonus box at different times. There are coupon codes out there. I'm not 100% certain, guys, what my referral link actually gives you, but I do have a referral link. I'll leave it in the description box as well as the first comment below. So if you decide that you'd like to give this box in this company a try, that information will be there if you would like to use it. Now, I'm on my 3rd month. I signed up for a 3-month plan with them. I had used the code at that time. Don't know where I got it from. I was just searching and I came across one and it was still valid. I'm in between if I'm going to renew. I do know before the year out I would renew. I just don't know if I want to renew right back behind it, because there's a couple of other food boxes that I would like to try. So in place of the snack sack and the Love with Food, I could put 2 other food subscriptions in its place. I have no real gripes or anything about this company or the box contents. It's just I want like to veer off and try a couple of other things and then come back to it. So you may see it next month, because again, I haven't made up my complete mind, and you might not see it until like November. But let's get into this thing. So let me open it up. I had started trying to stack everything in there. No, I haven't eaten anything. No one's gotten their hands on it. It arrived today. Today's Saturday, the 14th of September. And I was back there cleaning up my makeup area. My area needed help. And by doing so, I ended up being reintroduced to my own stuff, and it's like, oh my god, I haven't worn this, I haven't used this is brand new, what the hell. So that was a very good thing for me to take the time to reorganize that area and clean it up. All right, let's see, I'm gonna go with this. Oh goody, Bobby's been talking about this biltong beef. Like, these are the better types of jerky. Oh wow, this is beef, raisin juice concentrate, vinegar, spice blend, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. And if you guys always hear me referencing Bobby, I'm speaking of Bobby and his wife Desi from over at Flavor City, and his good friend Art. He does the recording of the videos, and then he comments when need be. He was a past accounting, so he's good with numbers, and I like that. Well, anyways, Bobby has these Bobby approved videos where he goes in the grocery store and tell you what he would recommend a person to be eating and what and why he wouldn't. And biltong is something he's been ranting and raving about the last about 5 videos. So I'm glad. I'm gonna set that aside because I think we may try this inside of the video. And it's spicy piri. The next thing I see here is some Bush's chickpea roasted garlic, crisp roasted chickpeas roasted garlics. This one little packet here is 100 calories, and it's stating you get protein and fiber. Chickpeas is what your little hummus come from if you don't do avocado or something like that. Let's see here. Not bad. I see maltodextrin, and he doesn't want us. He would prefer you not eating maltodextrin, but everything else with this is pretty cool. And the snacks have its expiration date stamped on it, so like this doesn't go bad or shouldn't be eaten before January the 12th, 2020. And these beef jerkies, I mean, my God, it's probably got a super duper long lifespan. But I don't see a date at this moment on this one. All right, the next thing we have here is a Ecoa Pure Banana Natural Dried Fruit Bar. Now, we did get an email saying that this would be, this was one of the sneak peeks that could possibly be in your box. Now, this bar is saying it has no added coloring, no artificial ingredients, and minimally processed. And the ingredients is dried bananas. That's it. So I got 2 versus 1 because I'm trying to listen. I have the tendency to be like, you know what, Bobby, I can't do everything you tell me to do, but I'm trying to listen a bit more because I do trust him, and based on reading on my own independently before ever discovering his channel, he does make coinciding comments and remarks about certain things in the food industry that I know for myself to be true. All right, the next thing we have here is the Toasted Oat Bakehouse Soft Granola Cool Beans, because I just bought some kefir. You guys seen it in that Whole Foods video. Pop it up here below. And we're going to go out tomorrow. Just going to get like 6 or 7 more things. And so some yogurt, Icelandic yogurt or grass-fed yogurt was going to be one of the things I was looking for. Let's see. Let me get my glasses, guys. I'm trying to speed it up. Okay, this is a good one. I was reading the ingredients list. Oh, and if I didn't say, this is in blueberry cobbler. Blueberry cobbler. Never heard of this before. It's definitely soft, and I hope it tastes good. Non-GMO verified, gluten-free certified. So we got 3 to 1. Oh, they're making this decision about not being with them difficult, honey. This is better than the last 2 boxes as far as what I can eat guilt-free versus I have to pass it on or I can't have it. Legendary Foods, 3 net carbs per servings, no sugars added, no cane juice, no agave, no honey, no artificial ingredients. Buffalo Blue Wings, sesame seed, almonds. Okay. There's multidextrin in this one. It's like the 5th ingredient. It's like a stabilizer or something he was telling us, but it's not good for your gut health and your probiotics or something along those lines. So he preferred if you can just stay away from it. The other ingredients on that thing seemed, so you got 2 things with the multidextrin, but the other ingredients wasn't. And I get what he means, like, why do that? If you went so far doing the right thing, why did you just have to add that one bad guy? Papa's Skinless Popcorn Pops. Sweet and salty. This one package here is 60 calories. The sunflower oil isn't organic. It's got cane sugar. I'll probably pass this on to my son. And this doesn't, because he don't care, and I can't hardly convert him over. So people who just don't care and you can't really convert them, that's why. So it's not like it's a thing where they're equally as mindful or trying to go in that direction just like you, and you're giving them compromising things as someone who just, they're not there yet. So that's, I wanted to clarify that. This doesn't expire until July of next year. Next thing we have here is a Fresh Pick Goodies Harvest Snaps Black Bean Snack Crisp. Now this needs to be consumed by November 16th. Smoky and spicy. I'm really liking that. There's a lot of crunch and I like spicy things. And this is smoky and spicy Southern style barbecue. Now if you eat this whole bag, it's 260 calories. I'm showing you this. I'm still trying to peek at the ingredients. Let's see here. Field trip. Maple barbecue pork raised with no antibiotics, no added hormones, soy-free, vegetarian fed, and premium pork. This is a gluten-free pork stick. 1 ounce. Make sure I'm getting it in here where you guys can see it. I don't eat as much pork anymore. I will get some bacon and have that every 3 months, something like that. But yeah, I don't hardly have pork chops. I will have neck bones from time to time, but ham and all of that, not so much, a few times out the year. Wonderful, chili roasted pistachios. Now, I like this brand of pistachios, but I never had any of the flavors, so that's cool. And it looks like this is about 2.5 servings worth based on the information on the back. And so 1 serving is equivalent to 1/4 cup. So you should be able to get almost 3 servings out of this one bag. And 1/4 cup would be 170 calories. Uh-oh. I'm dropping stuff. Hold on, guys. Okay, we got about 6 more things to go. Now, I did open this and only took a bite. Let me get up closer. Never heard of this before, but this was very soft, very chewy. Now, I took a bite and I didn't read the ingredients, so that was kind of my bad. But, like I said, it was just a bite because it's still this much of product in the package. But this guy is USDA organic, vegan, gluten-free, GMO, and who makes this? No allergies. It's no, like you know, NKNOW, allergies. This bar has no top 8 allergens. This is chocolate, coconut, and banana. I don't recall tasting any banana, but like I said, I just took a pinch off of it. So that's a keeper. Like, you know, that's something I can have. We have No Better Cookie, double chocolate. That was in the email as well. Okay. Next thing we have here, that don't expire until next year too. Untypical. Cute. That's what it's saying on the back. Untypical. Real dry aloe vera mango fruit. Aloe snacks. Now that's interesting, guys. I cannot say I have had such a thing. Real fruit, naturally gluten-free, no GMO. And it's got all the project certifications back here on the back. Yeah, we're going to try that. What you say? An mango fruit, it's its flavor. Okay. Because I I do the reviews, because you're able to do reviews. You earn points per review of each product that comes in your box, and then you can rate your overall box. That allows Love with Food to gauge what to put in your box as they're selecting it. So everybody's Love with Food box videos will not have every single item the same. There will be some items in it that's a little bit more for them. Now, everyone probably don't do the reviews, and so they're winging it. But I do my reviews before the end of the month, so they know what to and what not to try to suggest or allow me to sample. And so this brand, I've had 2 of the other flavors, and so they've sent flavor number 3 for me to try. And it's basically a breakfast biscuit. 3 more things. This is another thing I rated pretty high, and so each box I've been getting one just in a different flavor. But I want to say, I'm gonna have to look back at last month's video, that I got s'mores last month. Down to one more thing after this. Zico Just Fruit Bar Blueberry, no added sugar. And it's got all the cool bean stuff that you want to see. Oh, get it right, lady. On the back. Okay, and that's in blueberry. Zigo. Let me get it back up here where you can see it. The other brand was ZZ's. I don't know how to pronounce the other one. Sorry. And this looks very tasty. This looks very, very tasty. Don't expire until next year, June. This one little cookie thing is 160 calories. This is a coconut macaroon by Poppies. Belgian quality, non-GMO. All right, you get a little card every month that talks about encouraging you to share your link. They do for every box, so every subscription box or every box purchase, they're stating they donate 2 meals to Feeding America. And then we have a couple of things here. That's another thing I like about this subscription service, is that they do send coupons, and sometimes they're ones that I can just take right into my, this is one to see if you, grocery store, if you want to donate to St. Jude. I have done it in the past when I'm fixing to challenge some of y'all who ever remembered the show, That Girl, with Margot or Marlo, what's her name, Thomas, and her dad was not Dave Thomas, I can't think of her dad's name, Mr. Thomas, and he started St. Jude's, and I would be up late at night, insomnia, and I would see the I don't want to say infomercial, you know, that the 30 minutes programming about if you would donate, and so I would send money to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. I ain't did it in a while, but I have done it a few times. And then we have this guy here, never heard of it before, Lico, and this is a Belgian dark chocolate spread, nut-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and vegan. And it looks like, let's see, fine, delicious. It's 4 flavors it comes in. You can find it at Amazon, Cost Plus World Market. I don't think we have one down here. And other nationwide retailers. So it's not a coupon per se, but it's giving you some information on it, and then you can go look for it. Then I already told you I get the Deluxe box. Got a coupon here about going to get a watch. You can get some money off. And then I swear, I'm so sick of saying this, but a wine voucher. So let's try 2 things. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. They sent it to me. What the hell I got going on? Trying to hurry up so the video's not so long. Let's see. Lico? I don't know. Something delicious. And I'm so curious, George, want to try it. I'm not the biggest dark chocolate person, but we're going to try these mango. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? And it's smelling like it too. Made in Thailand. It's very, it's not bad. It's sweet, it's juicy, but it was very easy to chew. So it was no Laffy Taffy, now later kind of thing going on. Or Starburst, so it was easy to work through. The flavor comes through. It wasn't bad. And then I guess we'll crack open this guy, and then we'll be out of the video. 36 grams of protein per pouch. Ooh, boy, that scent hit me. One of those days, guys. One of those days. I will say this brand put a lot in the box. The heat is there. Hello. It's got like a habanero chili kind of heat. Let me flip this thing on the back and see. It just says a spice blend, so they're keeping it safe. Like Lord of the Rings, they're keeping it secret. They're keeping it safe. And Gandalf asked Frodo, did you keep the ring secret? Did you keep it safe? All right, guys, I'm going to stop running my mouth so much. That was my September Love with Food box. I would recommend it. I like it. This one was a winner, so I probably will just be working some numbers out and see how I'll be keeping this and still try a couple of other boxes. And that's it. Have a blessed day, everyone. I'm gonna make sure I get this side right. Peace.